I need to measure. Good Sunday morning all. I literally put the vlog camera down yesterday, but I thought I'd pick up the camera today to do a little. My underarm looks like I haven't shaved, but I have. I got my first laser lesson session a few weeks ago, and I've shaved my armpits maybe once since. Really good. I'm gonna do a top up because I do think there are other bits coming through, but like barely. What was my point in this conversation? I've had my morning coffee. I just thought we would have a Sunday refresh of the house with each other because I want to do a little cleanup. There's a painting, it's not painting. There's a piece of art. It's like a segment from the Magna Carta, not a real one. Yeah, there's a piece from the Magna Carta over the corner there. I want to put it up in the living room. It used to be in the hallway. You can't see Mama's filming. It used to be in the hallway, but now that I've put the mirror there, I want it in here. And like, as this room is a little more minimal now that I've put the old leather chair that used to be here upstairs, it just needs a bit more character. And I quite like that, so I'm gonna keep it. The dressing room is a mess. I have so much washing to do. And then I'm gonna see if I can put, that's very useful, Phoenix. I'm also gonna see if I can put a long Zara Home mirror that I got in the hallway up on the wall, and then hoover, clean up the counter, the coffee table, probably do the cat's litter. Then one other job. Are you playing with your toy? You playing with your toy? Yeah. Home thing I wanted to do was attempt to see if I can change the hallway light. I got this stunning paper leaf petal light fixture for the hallway, and I need to sort of watch some videos and see if I can attempt to do that myself, but I'm gonna try. Let's get on this Sunday refresh of the house. Just wanted to give you guys an overview of the state of this room right now. Pretty messy. And then I'm gonna try and attempt to go through this drawer, because this is filled with like pajama, workout, accessories and dust bags, and I don't think it needs all of that in there, so that's another task for today. Okay, let's get started in here by clearing the washing. I have a lot. Separate it all. This tucked away behind there as well. As you saw, I made a bit of a mess here. Now that everything's sorted, my job was made a lot harder by this guy, wasn't it? Can Mummy put the basket back in, please? Finley, can Mummy put the basket back in? It's a good size to be honest. I'm always trying to do something like that. What do we think? I think it looks great up there. Okay, now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I am sweating after doing that, but I really like it. Now I need to find a hook for the kitchen because I want a little hook to put my apron on. So, next job. Good morning all. Always. You're right in front of the camera, Bubba. Excuse me. Thank you. Good morning. This may look like it's the same day because I'm pretty sure I did change yesterday, but I don't feel like you guys saw it. I basically finished off all 4 loads of that washing, which felt great. Why does it always feel amazing when the laundry basket is empty? Now I am going to do some editing. I recently got the new MacBook Air. I had to buy one of these, which I just got off Amazon because it's got the new USB-C port. So my hard drive and my SD cards will not go plugged directly into it. So I need these. Try and keep my desk area quite tidy. I'm going to start off this morning doing a bit of editing because I actually just checked this morning and it's been 2 months since I uploaded a long form video, partly because my laptop had broken, partly because I was lacking motivation to make. To be honest, I was making videos, I just wasn't editing or putting them up because I was just feeling a bit down about like the progression of my channel and stuff like that. It has been 6 years since I've been making videos. I'm obviously going to have to get this SD card out before I put this in and edit. Yeah, today I'm going to follow on this vlog and I'm going to edit and upload some videos, and then I need to put all the washing away. I put it outside as you saw, so it actually dried really, really well, which is nice. And maybe tidy up the dressing room with you guys because I didn't actually end up doing that. But first and foremost, this chair squeaks. The cat's freaking out. Look. Anyway, let me get to doing this. I need an SD card. I broke this camera, as you can see. No. I don't know if I can get it repaired. I mean, I obviously have this one, but this one was newer, so I don't know if I need to. I mean, I should get that repaired at some point because this one is actually my spare. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let's get on with it.